Hi, this is Bill Tainter. I'm doing a quick market preview for Monday, November 14th, that market. Today, right now, it's Sunday, November 13th, and it's 6:07 p.m. Tokyo has just opened. And the news is that Swissy has got some news. It's not the highest priority at 2 a.m. Central, 4 a.m. Central. The Euro has some industrial production. And then at noon is Canadian news. So over the evening hours here, I'm watching some red bounces and some other bounces off what we call as a 3-channel, which is a big significant support resistance level off the 4 majors. And here's the chart. Let's go back to the first trade I'm looking at is 37.28, which is on the euro. It's a big significant level that we watch. So here's the detail of the trade. Entering a buy limit using ChartTrader, position my lines below the current price, creates a buy limit. Here's my stop loss, take profits, move to buy using ChartTrader, parks pending orders. Next trade is Great Britain, same thing. 60.44 is a big significant level, so we're watching that. Same thing as a bounce. Here are the trade details for that. Again, just pause the video and note these if you want. And the Swissy, we're in this trade right now as I noticed it was at 9,000 coming from the bottom. See, we get everything to line where it's coming from the bottom and bounces off 9,000 to go down. The euro is above 37.28, come down and touch 37.28 and go up. That's the bounce I'm playing, both sides. And the other trade we had is over here, Aussie New Zealand dollar. Now again, traditionally, the nice red bounces that I like, this is a 6 cluster, beautiful. It's a bigger cluster, and there's a cluster close by. See this, 73 to 83 to 87, it's pretty close. I hide behind that cluster. There's no news. This should stay pretty good. If it does get above there, it'll bounce around. And I just take profits, 15 to 20 pips. And what I like to do is, if this is not hit or profitable by 7:30 tomorrow morning when the U.S. session opens, I cancel these orders. I just shut them down. It's got to behave through the evening for me, which is through the Tokyo session to the London session. If it gets into the New York and they haven't hit yet, I cancel them because sometimes there's momentum, there's more opportunity for news, and the setup is basically just blown, and I just cancel the orders. It's that simple. So I like to set these at the Tokyo Open. I look for price to bounce. I do not really look at the trend so much because it's a bounce. Like, this is an uptrend. This candle Friday closed higher than the open. That's fine. But now it's below there and it's going to come up to that level. I'm just looking to catch a small move, and it's just that simple. I don't know what's going to happen beyond that, but what I find traditionally is the market will bounce off these large clusters and you can pull some pips. This is just one of the many different approaches that we have. Okay, so those are the setups for today. Let me show you the terminal, and here they are. We're in the Swissy. Here's the parked euro, the pound, and the Aussie New Zealand dollar. Again, just pause the video to study these trade setups, and if you want to follow me along, you can do this in a demo account as you learn. It's that simple. All right, thanks everybody. See you tomorrow.